Hi, I'm Enda Murray, the director of the Irish Film Festival. I'd like to say Céad Míle Fáilte to the 7th Irish Australian Film Festival, which is streaming online across Australia. I'd like to say Budieri Kamaru, which is hello in the language of the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation, on whose land we stand today. I'd like to pay my respects to the elders past, present and emerging. This land was never ceded. I'd like to thank all of the sponsors and supporters, all of the crew who have worked their guts out to get this festival up, and I'd like to say thank you to you, the audience, for buying the tickets and keeping this show on the road. Go raibh maith le maiagat, go léir. Slán agus beannacht.